Welcome to our channel. If Venmo isn't working or payments are failing, these comprehensive steps will resolve the error quickly. Step 1. Check Venmo server status. Visit downdetector.com to see if others report similar issues. Step 2. Verify your payment method. Ensure linked bank account or card has sufficient funds. Step 3. Update the Venmo app. Go to your App Store and install any available updates. Step 4. Check your Venmo balance and limits. You may have reached weekly or transaction limits. Step 5. Confirm recipient information is accurate. Verify username, phone, or email before sending. Step 6. Clear Venmo app cache. Navigate to Settings, Apps, Venmo, and tap Clear Cache. Step 7. Check for account restrictions. Venmo may flag unusual activity requiring identity verification. Step 8. Disable VPN if active. Venmo blocks some VPN connections for security purposes. Step 9. Reinstall Venmo if problems continue. Uninstall, restart device, then download fresh copy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.